Hey, what's up guys? Mr. Eaker. This is the video on probability models and the assignment for that on Khan Academy. The main thing, in the end, all your fractions or decimals, and it could be and decimals, need to add up to 1. So they're all not going to be higher than 1. They could think of it as money, like 45 cents and 55 cents equals a dollar, or a third of a dollar and two-thirds of a dollar equal $1. Everything's going to add up to equal 1. I'm going to do several examples here for what you need to do, because there's actually two different possibilities here. So the first thing that you had to do, when the first question that I saw was, let's say that these three people, Sam, Max, and Ella, are playing a game, and the probability of them winning that game. So the probability of Sam winning a game is 0.36 out of 1. The probability of Ella winning is 0.4 out of 1. So you have to figure out what Max's probability is. To do that, you're going to take 0.36 or 0.36 and 0.4 and add them up first. Then you're going to add those up, so that's 0.76. So the total probability has to equal up to 1, all added up. So the thing that I have to do is subtract from 1. So you're going to take 1 minus 0.76. So imagine it's like a dollar minus 76 cents. And Max's probability of winning is going to be what? It's going to be 0.24. So that would be your answer there. The next one here, I'm going to have to write out real quick. We'll do the same one. And let's see here. Actually, we'll do a different one about rocks. And I'm just going to call them, or it could be rocks, it could be pebbles, it could be, obviously it could be anything that you wanted to make it. I'm going to do red, blue, and let's say yellow. I'm writing this out right now. So in this probability model, you have 58 red rocks or marbles, 198 blue, and then you have 79 yellow. Okay, you have to develop a probability model here. Let's say that all these rocks or marbles are in a bag. What's your probability or your chance of drawing one of these if you just reached in and you grabbed one? Well, the first thing that you have to do here is you have to add them up. So I want you to add these up real quick. 58, 198, and 79. Okay, so if I add these up, there are 335. Now, what I have to do now is to figure out the probability of drawing that is divide each of these numbers by 335. So 58 divided by 335, 198 divided by 335, and 79 divided by 335. So let's do the first one here. 58, actually let's just write them all out. 58 divided by 335, 198 divided by 335, and then 79 divided by 335. I'm going to let you go ahead and do those real quick, and then you're going to get your probability, and we'll see if it's at or really, really close to 1. Okay, if you need to hit pause, go ahead and hit pause now, because we're going to do this one together. If you're not done, just go ahead and hit pause. But our first one, now, I did this on my calculator, so maybe I can show you my calculator here. There, we kind of see it there. 0.1731, so we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. The nearest hundredth is like the penny. So 0.17, the 3 does not round the 7 up, so this is 0.17. So 0.17. And then the 198 divided by 335, okay, 0.591 and so on, so just 0.59. And then 79 divided by 335. Okay, now on this one, it comes up as 0.2358, so 0.23, but the 5 rounds up 3 to a 4, so this is 0.24. Okay, so 0.24. Now, last thing, add those together to make sure they equal 1. Then you know you're right. 7 and 9 is 16, and 4 will be 20, so it's a 0. Raise a 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1.0. So you can do that in your calculator. You just add those up. 1.0. So these are correct. 0.17, 0.59, 0.24. The next one I'm going to do is, let's say that you've got 3 different types of music: rock, blues, and rap. And these are the amount of people that like it. But what's the probability of picking somebody who likes that genre of music? You're going to do the same as the last one. You're going to add these up, divide each of these by what that total is, and you're going to get your probability. So I'm going to give you a chance right now to do that. Go ahead, add them up, get a total, then do division. Alright guys, if you're not done, you might not be done yet, just go ahead, hit pause, and just go ahead and finish up, and then unpause it, we'll go through it. So hit pause now if you're not done. Okay, let's go through this. 7, that's plus 2 is 9, plus that is 8, so 8, carry your 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 78 is my total. So 17 divided by 78. 0.217. So that's going to round up to 0.22. 22 divided by 78 is 0.28. 39 divided by, I didn't write divide by 78 there on that one. So divided by 78, it's actually equal to 0.50, so 0.5. If I add these up, 2 plus 8 is 10, carry your 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus the 0.5 will be 1.0. So these are correct. So let me know if you have any questions. Just email me or send me a message through Google Classroom, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.